All right, what's the deal, YouTube, man? We back with another video, bro, but like, shit, like, this not gonna be a good video, man. Like, look at this, like, this is insane, bro. Like, my whole car is, like, fucked. Like, bro. Scratches all over the door, man. They literally tried to, like, break in my car, like, I can't win. I literally cannot win, bro. They literally tried to pry this bitch open, like, bro. And they left a big ass scratch trying to do that shit. Like, whatever they did, they just end up breaking the window. Like, glass every fucking where, bro. Scratches and shit, like, bro, this shit is so ghetto, bro. Like, my whole seat is fucked, like, bro. I literally have to make a claim now. I can't even do what I was originally gonna do. Like, my plans are ruined now. Like, I literally have to make a claim now. I can't, like, this is gonna be damn near, like, not impossible to fix, but like, bro, I just gotta make a claim now. Like, the way I was gonna do things, like, I can't even do it that way no more. Cause like, the damage is even worse now. Like, it's crazy. Like, this the second time this month something happened, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all gonna see that, but like, it's like footprints all on my seat and shit, glass and shit. Like, bro, like, this is insane. Like, bro, like, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know what to do or to say no more. Like, stuff like this, like, this is like, bro, this make me not even want this car. Like, bro, I literally just like got out of an accident, like, ran off the road, and then now this happened in the same month, bro. Like, glass everywhere and shit. What's crazy was, like, this happened at my job. Like, bro, shit don't ever even happen like this at my job or whatever. So I don't understand, like, how did this even happen, bro? Like, damn. The security told me, like, some type of, like, like a Durango had pulled up and, like, just broke the back window. But, like, what was crazy was I had parked in a different spot this time. So, like, I don't know, I usually always park in the front, but like this time I just want to like park somewhere different. I parked somewhere different, and then this shit happened. Here go my fucking, what you call this shit, a car lock device. They didn't unplug this. I just had to unplug because of my insurance shit. And then they didn't take this or like try to like take this off. I got that neutral strap cover, so they really can't put it in neutral anyways. But damn, bro, I wish I would have had this plugged in, but I stopped paying for it because of like that damn progressive shit, bro. Like, fuck, like, glass everywhere. Like, shit don't make no sense, bro. Like, damn. I wonder how much it's gonna cost. Like, I wonder how much it would cost just to get this fixed alone. But like, I can't even take that route no more. Like, big ass scratch, glass everywhere, bro. Like, damn, man, this shit is insane, bro. Like, y'all see these scratches and shit? Like, Loki kind of dented right here too, bro. Like, man, like, I don't even know, man. Like, this is literally just insane. Like, I don't even know, bro. Like, I had this to deal with. Now on top of this, I gotta deal with this, and I gotta deal with this over here. Like, bro, at this point, I'm gonna just have to make an insurance claim, bro. Like, it ain't really nothing else like I can really do for real. Like, I ain't gonna be able to like pay for all that damage like at once. Like, at first, what I would have got, like, would have had to pay for it would have been straight. But like that on top of the broken glass, because I have to drive. Like, I have to be able to drive places. Like, I can't drive this shit. Like, I have to be able to drive this car. So, like, we just gonna have to, like, you know, get that insurance claim. Bro, the light in here is so bad, I can't even, like, really show y'all how it looks from the inside. Hopefully y'all can see this, though. Like, I don't even want to touch this car, like, insane. Like, glass everywhere. I say glass everywhere, like, fuck it. But yeah, I just want to, you know, update y'all on what's going on. We're not going to be doing the original route what we was going to do. So we just going to have to make the claim. We can probably still get it fixed by the same place so I can make the content, but, like, bro, I don't know, man. But yeah, that's all I want to, you know, let y'all know what's going on and shit. You know, my car got broken into. Oh, was that working shit? Yeah, shit crazy. They didn't even take nothing though. Like my iPad was right here. iPad was literally right here on the seat. And my wallet. It was like, it wasn't, my wallet wasn't in the seat, but it was somewhere in the car. But my iPad was right here. They didn't even take that shit. They just literally came in, cause it's like footprints like right there on the leather. Came in and didn't do shit. That's all. Like that's literally all they did. Just broke in this bitch, like just to make my life harder, bro. But yeah, guys, man, thank y'all for watching though. No cap. Thank y'all for watching. Whoever watched my 7-day straight series, no cap. Shout out to y'all, bro. No cap. I was literally just getting back into the groove and like, you know, doing YouTube and shit, like going crazy, feeling motivated as fuck. I wasn't even gonna let the little dent like discourage me, but like, now it's like, damn, like fuck. Like I don't even know, bro. But at this point I'm just rambling, so I'm gonna just end the video here, man. Thank y'all for watching. You know, I don't really even got nothing else to say. Just thank y'all for watching. No cap. Y'all mean literally the world to me. You know, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man.